Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how fix Discord stream lagging for viewers and when playing games. Chapter 1. How to fix Discord stream lagging for viewers and when playing games adjusting screen. To begin, open Discord app. On your server, click on Share Your Screen. Here, select the screen to share. After, configure the values on resolution and frame rate fields. Apply this changes. Chapter 2. How to fix Discord stream lagging for viewers and when playing games run as admin. To begin, enter Discord in the search box. Select Run as Administrator, click Yes to open Discord. After the app is updated, Discord will open automatically. Chapter 3. How to fix Discord stream lagging for viewers and when playing games disabling hardware acceleration. To start, open Discord. Here, click on User Settings. Now in the Voice and Video section, on Audio Codec section, turn off the Open H264 codec provided by Cisco Switch. All dependent switch are turn off too. If you need, enable the switch Open H264 codec and only disable the hardware acceleration switch. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.